Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and in this video we're gonna see how to get GLM 5.2 model completely free. And as we know that it is like compared to Opus 4.8 and it is much more powerful model. I could have make a YouTube short and tell you that GLM 5.2 model is completely free on NVIDIA NIM. But the thing is I'm making video this because most of people will fail to set it up. That's why I'm making this video. First of all, I would request you to download the OpenCode. Go over this URL and download the OpenCode Desktop. And if you use terminal, you can use the terminal also. I will tell you the setup process on the OpenCode terminal as well. So download the OpenCode Desktop and open it. And then go to this URL build.nvidia.com and make a account if you don't have an account. So as you can see that OpenCode has been installed. Now go to providers, and if you go to the show all providers and you will select the NVIDIA from here, and you will create a API key here, call it YT test and just generate the API key. Copy the API key and paste the API key here and click on the continue. As you can see that NVIDIA is connected, but if you go to here, search the model for NVIDIA, my bad, and you will search for GLM. There is no GLM model. All other model is available, but for the NVIDIA no GLM model is available. As you can see that. For this you need to close the OpenCode. If you set up using like this or you earlier set up the NVIDIA API key, you need to go to this URL, my bad, this URL, see users, and this will be your username, .local share OpenCode, and over here there will be a auth.json file. Open it in your text editor, and at the very bottom or somewhere there will be this kind of setup of NVIDIA. I would request you to delete this and then close it, and now copy the API key, open the OpenCode again. And if you are doing this first time, you are installing the OpenCode first time and setting up the NVIDIA first time, then you don't need to do this auth.json file deletion. There is no need to do this because there will be no file like this. So click on the settings button, go to providers and go to the custom provider, and over here write the NVIDIA and the display name will be NVIDIA. For the base URL, you need to go to this build.nvidia.com.models and click on the GLM 5.2, and this is our base URL. Copy this base URL and paste it in here. Now copy the API key, paste it in here, and for the model ID go to the models URL again and select the GLM z.ai /GLM 5.2 and give it name according to you. And we will set up this model, only this model. If you want to set up other model, you can add like this. So click on the submit. So as you can see that NVIDIA already exists, you can call it NVIDIA NIM and call it NVIDIA NIM and click submit. As you can see that NVIDIA NIM is connected. Now let me select a new session. Now go to the models, and if I search for NVIDIA NIM, as you can see that GLM 5.2 is there and I selected it. Now let me say hi. As you can see that it is replying. So now we are creating a snake game in single HTML file. Till the game is created, let me show you how you can set it up on the OpenCode terminal. Install the OpenCode terminal and go to C drive, go to users, go to your username, and there will be a config file and there will be a OpenCode directory over here. If this directory is not there, then run the OpenCode one time, then exit it. There will be a opencode.json file. Now you need to like add this thing at the very end of this, and if nothing this in your file, it will be very blank, then add only this thing. I will be providing the code in the video description, and the same auth file as we have earlier showed at this URL, you need to open this file again and you need to add the API key over here like this, NVIDIA NIM API key. So this is how you can set it up on the terminal. Now as you can see that snake game is created. I don't know what's the location, let me check it. Okay, this is the snake game. As you can see that snake game is already created, and you can see that. Let me show you the model name also. So as you can see that this is GLM 5.2 model. This is how you can use the GLM 5.2 model, and make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, and thanks for watching.